Most boats have either a single or a dual battery system. The single system is very simple. You locate the battery switch and you make sure it's in the on position. That switch could be a button, it could be a knob, it could be a key. If you don't know where yours is at, consult your owner's manual. The dual battery system gives you a little bit more control of your power source. The best way to utilize this type of system is to take the switch to both when starting or running your boat, and then switch it to single battery if you're going to be docked or anchored and just hanging out listening to music.